those people that don't know me, I'm Sadler from Dent Remover. Today's repair is a VAUXHALL Adam. The dent is on the front door. It's around here with little paint markers. So basically what's happened is another door has opened up and hit this door, creating this dent. There's an area up here that I can't get to, so I need to glue pull that bit. But the rest of it's pretty straightforward. And there's also another little dent up here. So I'm going to get the tools out and I'm going to show you what it's all about. So what I'm showing you here, this is the dent in detail, and this is on a fog board. I usually use a line board. I'm going to use both today. I think this one's a little bit better to show you the actual dent. So what we're looking at is if there's any distortion towards the bottom of the door. There, so we'll mark that up. There's your obvious mark there, so just mark it at the bottom there. The main dent. Another main dent. And you've got a crown here. So basically what's happened is the dent's pushed all the way in. As this dent's gone all the way in, it's sort of like folded at the top, and that's like the shoulder of the dent. That's gone in, then as it's come back out, it's made this crease line, and that's called a crown or a smile or a high spot. And the frame runs about there. Alright, I'm using my left hand, I'm not drunk. And then the other dent is there. So if you can see it, you can now. Here you go. So I'm going to do that as well. Okay, to start my repair, I'm going to be using a glue pull system. That's because the dent at the top is behind a brace. We pick a mushroom shaped tab similar to the size of a dent. We add some glue to it, we stick it to the panel, leave it 5 or 6 seconds and then give it a pull with the slide hammer. Then we use a degreaser to get rid of the excess glue. This repair method lifts the dent out gradually. That pull did a little bit, but not a great deal. So what we're going to do now is we're going to find ones that will fit better into the crease. So this is a normal glue tab. This one's been cut down a little bit, as you can see. So it just gives it more of a direct pull. So see how these go. For the second pull, I'm going to be using a rectangle shaped tab. This suits the dent better. Going to give it another pull with a slide hammer and then see how we go. So now you can see I'm doing a time lapse of the repair. There's a lot of gluing, a lot of pulling. I used the bar through the window just to give me a little bit of leverage below the damage. Okay, so this is after about 5 or 6 minutes of glue pulling. There's a few highs, a few lows there, but majority of it's out now. So I can carry on tapping it down, or I can try and get a J bar in there. I'll just pull this down here. That's how it's going to go. And what this is designed to do is, there's a bit of a brace here. So I'm going to put this down the door, go up between the brace and the skin, go up, and then I'm going to tweak the dent out. So what I'm going to do now is I've got the majority out of this bit, and I've got the bottom bit pretty much there. There's just a little low here, and this is the area that I'm going to work on now. Once this is up, then I can go over the full repair, just tap what I need to tap down and lift what I need to lift up, and that's it. I'll give it a polish, get rid of a little paint mark, then I'll give you a good look of what I've done. Now, you're not forgetting the small dent that's on the back of the door near the handle. I'll show you how I do that one in a minute. I've checked the other side, and this is definitely part of the damage. I'm going to tap it down now. The tools that I will be using. So crow carb. It's got a leather head on it, which is it's not a sharp point, it's more of a flat area. And what will happen is when I'm tapping this down very gently, it's just going to ease the crown down. Okay. This speeded up video just shows you what goes into repairing a small dent. Okay, so we're all done with this little dent. I don't know if you could make it out from the time-lapse video, but it was a little bit of a pain to get to. I couldn't get any of the bars on there. Because there's a brace here, there's a few little slit holes inside. So I tried to get a few wire tools in there to get the dent out, but I couldn't reach it, so I had to glue pull it. So it took a little bit longer than a minute to take it out. And to be honest, you can't really see anything. So there you go. So it's just polish this area up now. There's a bit of paint that's come off there. Not come off, but it's paint transfer. There's a little scuff here. Get rid of all this. So yeah, polishing up time. Let's take a look at the repair with a line board. So I think you're going to see a lot more than that fog that I was showing you earlier on. So if there is a dent, there should be some distortion somewhere. Try and hold this still, move that. Okay, we'll go around the other way. There you go, spot on. Thank you very much for watching the repair of VAUXHALL Adam today. If you'd like to see any more videos or any future videos, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also find me on my website, which is www.dent-remover.co.uk. Thank you very much.